Alright guys, so this is my friend Akito, he's my personal chef.
Nella Rose is the person on everybody's lips right now.
Nella Rose.
Nella Rose.
Nella Rose.
And for her to survive in the I'm a Celeb jungle, she was going to need to learn how to cook. Ooh, and that's where I come in. Now, you're probably wondering...
Yeah, she could though.
Oh, I used to be a chef for a time, yeah.
Trust me. Turning me on.
Is it?
Now, in order to transform Nella Rose into a proper chef, I developed a 3-stage plan. Stage 1, tasting. In order to cook like a chef, you've got to be able to eat like a chef. So I developed 5 recipes for Nella to try and tell me what she thinks.
So I was chatting to Nella and it turns out we both love Japanese food and KFC, so I thought I'd combine those two for her. So let's start off with our first dish, teriyaki chicken skewers. Right, take some garlic and treat it like you would your little brother. I want knife skills no slower than this. Bit of oil on the pan. You can use sesame oil if you're extra Asian. Garlic in, and just put that on the heat until it gets quite fragrant. Soy sauce. Oh, fucking hell. Just drank it like it's water because I'm Asian. I thought that's what I was supposed to do. Bit of sake. I drank it like it's water because I'm Asian. Bit of mirin. Honey, gonna bring that to a boil. Right, I'm gonna show you a little trick for spring onion we only use in the restaurants. Take the spring onion, just the green part, and just cut it into really thin planks. Throw that into some ice cold water and just leave that, trust me. You'll see exactly why in a minute. Now that sauce is boiling, you're just gonna take some ginger, just cut it into coins, leave the skin on, it's fine, and just throw that into the pan. Skewers. Yeah, man. Bit of popcorn chicken. Just gonna skewer these up. Gonna cut off the excess. Fucking hurts. Get a pan, get that nice and hot. You're gonna take a brush, paint a bit of that teriyaki sauce onto the popcorn chicken. You're gonna chuck that into your pan, and as you're frying it, you're just gonna continue to glaze it until it gets nice and sticky. Not everything I say on this channel sounds sus, by the way. Sesame seeds, and you see how that spring onion's gone nice and curly now? Let's see what Nella thinks. Alright guys, for your first dish, I've got a bit of chicken yakitori here. Feel free to dig in with your hands and just go for it, guys. Hope you enjoy.
Is that tender? Like it's either fried or it's fine. Because
I like both of those.
this is good.
So I just chop these up and I put them in water and they sort of curl up. And I did that on TikTok once and then everybody started doing it.
So you said the trend.
Yeah, I make waves, you know what I mean? Like, SM clean plates coming through, yeah. Love that. Right, let's make a salad dressing. Do you know what I'd quite like to see less of? People peeling ginger like they're in set 8. Just get a spoon and just scrape it up, give that a grate, bit of garlic, treat it like you would your sister. Soy sauce, bit of honey. Oh, I've got a hair in my mouth, that's kind of fucked. I hate it when you're trying to be sexy and then you've got a hair in your mouth. Sorry, babe, just give me a second, yeah. She sat there with the condom on. I was just thinking that banter was worth a subscribe. Do you agree? Olive oil. Cherry tomatoes, take some baby gem lettuce leaves into your bowl, go for the tomato, and then this is called kurozuke. This is called kurozuke. This is pickle, Japanese pickle cucumber. We're just gonna slice it up a bit, and just because we're bougie, we're gonna throw that in. Bit of dressing, KFC mini fillet, just gonna throw that in there. That's great. But what does Nella Rose think?
So what's that, Daddy?
Chill out. Alright, so we have an Asian salad here. We've got the bonus mini fillet, and then kurozuke, which is Japanese pickled cucumber.
You just gonna make. I'm coaching in this thing.
You already see my skills. I don't need to do that, and I'm just gonna.
That's actually pretty smart.
That's so good.
What's his marinade? Sorry.
This sauce is fire.
Yeah, no, I appreciate
this
that.
Sauce is fire. The sauce is the Beyonce of the whole meal.
What's the Jay-Z?
The leaf.
The leaf. I feel you. What's everybody's dance move like in a club? What's your go-to? Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Grab a lemon, cut yourself a nice wedge. Nice. Popcorn chicken, wedge of lemon, your curly spring onion, and this is a little thing called ponzu. Very lang. If you're wondering what ponzu is, I explain it quite nicely to Nella Rose. Let's see what she thinks. See that segue? Fuck. He's a fucking professional. This is a play on karaage. We've got the popcorn chicken there, and then you've got a ponzu dipping sauce, and some spring onion, bit of lemon there for you. So I'd squeeze over the lemon, and then just go at it, lads, yeah. Oh, mate. That wasn't even a skill issue, that was just like missing it.
Come on. Because when I did your...
What's happening with the finger like in between the...
Yeah, First of all, I'm black.
What's in this small bowl of him?
Ponzu, so it's like a soy sauce mirin, and then yeah, yuzu, like a Japanese citrus fruit.
I might have to start bringing that lemon juice to that KFC.
Have you not been to Japan then? You've been to Japan?
Tokyo.
Oh yeah. Not bare people though.
But it was like different people, so it's like
Yeah,
they loved us, we loved them. They were so lovely to us.
They actually was.
Yeah.
They really were.
They treated us like we were celebrities when we won.
Oh bless, yeah.
Yeah, no, they were so nice.
Yeah, I'd definitely go back.
That's it. All my family moved. You remember the tsunami that happened in like 2012? Yeah. So like the earthquakes and that. Like everything in their apartment was destroyed except for the flat screen TV stayed on the wall and the coffee machine was calm. So they just have like coffee watching Netflix like, we need to go back England, you know, like. Soy sauce and mirin glazed corn on the cob. KFC corn on the cob. Cut that into quarters. Nice. It's so easy because I'm a big lad. Into a container, soy sauce, mirin, lid on, and give that a slightly less aggressive shake. Now, if you wanted to, you can let that absorb the flavor for a bit, but I want food and I want it now. So open that up, get a nice hot pan, and just let that glaze there. Now, when I was cooking for Nella, I used this blowtorch, but I hurt myself, as you could tell there, so I'm not using it anymore. Play that up, spring onion, and there we have it. But do you know what I'm thinking? What does Nella Rose think of this? Right, so Mumsy, back in the day in Japan, she went to summer festivals, and they would have some street food. This was soy sauce and mirin corn that she remembers. I hope you guys enjoy.
Big up Mumsy! Big up Mumsy! Big up Mumsy!
So Mumsy, I love her.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Do you want to be bare embarrassing? Like, if you hadn't liked the video yet, you know what I mean? That would just be embarrassing. I wouldn't have that. It's weird just like watching people eat, you know what I mean? Like,
I mean, you were a chef.
yeah.
It's actually coming out.
Rice wine vinegar. A good pinch of salt, a good pinch of sugar, piece of kombu, like kelp. Throw that on the heat and warm it up, but don't fucking boil it or I'll fucking kill you, I swear down. Bring it up to the sort of heat that you'd like steep tea at, and then take that off the heat and let it sit for like 15 minutes, that's it. Mayonnaise, and we're gonna infuse that with a bit of wasabi. I like quite a bit of wasabi. Give that a mix. I've got some cooked sushi rice here. We're gonna pour in that sushi zoo, KFC mini fillet. A nice bit of wasabi mayo. I'm gonna create a little brush stroke there. We've got a bit of water here. I'm just gonna keep our hands nice and wet. That's gonna stop the rice from sticking. And we're just gonna mold ourselves a nice nigiri here. We're gonna go on with our fillet, a little dollop of teriyaki, and then finally, that spring onion just to cover. I'm just trying to think. What does Nella Rose reckon?
Daddy, what are we doing next?
Oh my days. Wasabi mayo, wasabi mayo.
Oh, you day, boy.
This is trenches.
KFC sushi. So there's a mini fillet on there for you. Some mayonnaise which I've infused with a bit of wasabi, the teriyaki sauce, and a bit of spring onion for that. I hope you guys enjoy.
I thought it'd be like spicy, but it's like nice little cook.
Thank you, Daddy.
No worries, no worries.
Stage 2, knife skills. I needed to teach Nella Rose how to handle a knife properly. Because if Nella Rose manages to cut herself here, I just got a feeling that her legal team is probably a lot better than mine. I mean, I work by myself, I've got no employees. Which is why my mug says I work with absolute legends.
You do a bit of cooking as well, I don't know.
Rice, please.
Do you use a rice cooker?
I used to, you know the ready fried rice?
No, is it?
The packet.
Nah, rice cooker, get to know, it's gotta be a rice cooker, please. Please don't cut yourself, please don't cut. Yeah, that's that. It's literally like the first thing you're taught is like, you gotta tuck your fingers in. Why is it like this? Why is it like that? You're trying to kill it? That's terrifying, man, that's terrifying.
It's giving spring onion, period.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. I know exactly what you mean.
Say period.
Period.
Stage 3, plating.
Not only was this Nella's favourite dish, but it's also the most difficult to plate, so I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to teach Nella a bit of plating. Let's see how she gets on. Basically, we're going to see who can plate the best. We're going to start with a brush stroke of the wasabi mayo just going along the centre of the plate. Oh, okay, yeah.
What should I do, chef?
I don't know. I mean, if this is a bit of creativity here, you kind of want to put that in as well. That's it. Oh, okay.
No one's cooking, this is just the start, you don't even know what's cooking coming right now.
3 of these in a line. Oh, nicely done. I'm interested to see what's going to happen here, to be fair, yeah.
You start at the top of the river.
Oh, okay. Coming downstream, yeah. You got chicken there. You like to fluctuate end bit in the middle, and then you know the 2 centerpieces either side.
Go the other way.
Or, yeah. Or just nah. All right. Put a little drop of teriyaki sauce. You can go for it as well. You can do whatever you feel. Hey. That's that, you know. Yeah. I feel that. And then a bit of spring onion to garnish.
You see, less is more.
No, it's not though, because it links it together like it's a bridge now.
Can we have a vote?
Honestly.
Alright, so I do like the wasabi on this one. It's a very tough one, but you know, If we're going for like the overall task, I think.
Oh, well done, Nella. It's good effort, it's good effort. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're all finished here. Thank you very much for watching.
I'm talking about something that's not relevant anymore, but subscribe for more videos like this.
Cheers guys, appreciate it.